Every day, millions of frozen pizzas are produced inside large-scale food factories like this one, supplying supermarkets, restaurants, and households across the world. These facilities are built to operate continuously, often 24 hours a day, using advanced automation systems to ensure speed, consistency, and food safety at every stage of production. From the outside, a frozen pizza factory may look like any other industrial building. But inside, it houses a carefully coordinated production process where every step is precisely controlled. Production begins with raw ingredients arriving in bulk. Flour, water, yeast, cooking oils, and other ingredients are delivered by trucks and stored in dedicated areas designed to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Before production starts, ingredients are inspected and measured to ensure they meet quality standards. This early control step helps maintain consistency throughout the entire process. The first major stage takes place in the dough preparation area. Large industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, and oil to create pizza dough. These machines are capable of mixing thousands of kilograms in a single batch, producing dough with uniform texture and elasticity. As the mixers rotate, the ingredients are blended into a smooth, flexible dough. Automated controls regulate mixing speed, duration, and temperature to ensure the dough develops properly. Once mixing is complete, the dough is transferred onto conveyor systems and divided into evenly sized portions. These portions move forward at a steady pace, allowing the dough to rest briefly before shaping. This resting period is essential. It allows the yeast to activate and relaxes the dough, making it easier to shape while improving the final crust structure. Next, the dough enters the forming section. Automated presses flatten each portion into perfectly round pizza bases. Thickness and diameter are carefully controlled so that every pizza bakes evenly later in the process. Consistency at this stage is critical. Uniform crusts ensure that sauce, cheese, and toppings are applied evenly, and that the pizzas cook at the same rate. After shaping, the pizza bases move directly into par baking ovens. These high-temperature ovens partially bake the crusts, setting their structure without fully cooking them. Par baking stabilizes the dough, allowing it to support toppings without becoming soggy or breaking during handling. Once the crusts exit the ovens, they are rapidly cooled. Cooling prevents overbaking and prepares the bases for the next steps on the production line. While the crusts cool, pizza sauce is prepared in a separate area of the factory. Large stainless steel tanks blend tomatoes, oils, herbs, and spices into sauce. Automated systems control ingredient ratios to ensure flavor consistency across every batch. The cooled pizza bases then pass beneath sauce applicators. These machines spread a precise layer of sauce in smooth, circular patterns. Each base receives the same amount, ensuring uniform taste and appearance. At this point, the foundation of the frozen pizza is complete, and the production line continues toward cheese application and topping stages. As the production line continues, the pizzas move into the cheese application stage, one of the most visually recognizable parts of the process. Shredded mozzarella and other cheese blends are stored in temperature-controlled containers to maintain freshness. From there, automated spreaders distribute cheese evenly across each pizza base. Sensors monitor the flow of cheese to ensure that every pizza receives the same amount. This level of precision prevents waste and guarantees consistency across thousands of units produced every hour. Once the cheese is applied, the pizzas move forward into the topping section. This area is highly flexible, allowing factories to produce multiple pizza varieties at the same time. Pepperoni slices, sausage crumbles, vegetables, and specialty ingredients are dispensed using automated feeders. Each feeder is calibrated to apply toppings accurately, even at high production speeds. Some lines are dedicated to a single pizza variety, while others can switch toppings quickly to meet changing demand. This flexibility allows factories to produce a wide range of products without slowing down production. After toppings are added, the pizzas enter a second baking stage. Unlike the initial par bake, this step focuses on melting the cheese and setting the toppings in place. Inside the ovens, temperatures are carefully controlled to ensure even heat distribution. This prevents overcooking while giving the pizza its finished appearance. As the pizzas exit the ovens, they look nearly ready to eat. However, before they can be packaged, they must be frozen to preserve quality. The next stage is flash freezing, one of the most important steps in frozen food production. Pizzas enter long freezing tunnels where temperatures drop rapidly to well below zero. This rapid temperature change locks in freshness and prevents large ice crystals from forming. As a result, the texture, flavor, and structure of the pizza are preserved. Within minutes, the pizzas become fully frozen and stable enough for packaging and transportation. Once frozen, the pizzas move into quality inspection. Automated camera systems scan each product, checking size, shape, cheese coverage, and topping distribution. Weight sensors ensure that every pizza meets specification. Any pizzas that do not pass inspection are automatically removed from the production line. Approved pizzas continue into the packaging department, where they are wrapped in protective materials designed to prevent freezer burn. Packaging machines seal each pizza tightly and apply labels that include production dates, batch numbers, and storage instructions. This information ensures traceability throughout the supply chain. The packaged pizzas are then grouped and placed into cartons. Automated systems fold, fill, and seal the cartons at high speed. Robotic palletizers stack cartons onto pallets with precision, creating stable loads ready for storage and transport. The pallets are transferred into cold storage warehouses, where temperatures are maintained at consistent freezing levels. These facilities can store thousands of pallets at once. From cold storage, frozen pizzas are shipped using refrigerated trucks. Maintaining the cold chain during transportation is critical to preserving product quality. Distribution centers receive the shipments and route them to supermarkets, restaurants, and food service providers. In stores, frozen pizzas are placed in freezers, where they remain until purchased by consumers. Although the final product appears simple, the process behind it is anything but. Frozen pizza production relies on automation, precision, and strict quality control at every stage. Each step is designed to balance speed with consistency, ensuring that every pizza meets the same standards no matter where or when it is produced. From mixing dough and preparing sauce to freezing and packaging, modern factories transform raw ingredients into millions of ready-to-cook meals every day. This highly coordinated process allows frozen pizza to remain one of the most accessible and popular foods worldwide.